Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we're putting some time into Lando. What we're doing, that's right, we're going to show you how to find an exhaust leak with a mirror. And after we find the leak, we're going to repair the leak with some muffler cement.
What is that?
What is that? We're going to show them what that is. Okay. Let's get into it. Well, for Lando sitting so long, we gotta charge the battery and we gotta quench his thirst. You know how it is, getting, well, maybe 12 miles per gallon, if that. Now that we are back at the exhaust, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the car and we're actually gonna stick our hand over the exhaust pipe, and what that's going to do is it's going to build up pressure in the exhaust.
Your hand's getting dirty. Yes,
my hand is getting dirty. And what's going to happen, we're going to hear where the exhaust is leaking from. Very good, let's continue. Now that we have the vehicle running, there's barely any pressure building up right here. So there's definitely a leak further down the line. Let's go find it. Now here's the principle. You see we have the mirror right here. Well, once it goes into the exhaust, it fogs up. So does the camera. Very good. Well, I think we found the leak. So now that we're underneath the vehicle, we can see that the seam is a little busted over here. Now we can see the black soot coming from it, and we can also see that the mirror is fogging up. You can also feel the little puff. There's also a spot up here that is leaking as well. So that's one way you could find exhaust leaks. Another way is you can feel it, and another way is visually you can see it. Very good. Now let's get into the budget repair. Well, we all know how I love working on the ground like a peasant, so I'm pretty much a glutton for punishment. So here we have our muffler cement. Will it work? Let's find out. Fill this crevasse. It's most definitely a giggity. And since this exhaust is kind of warm, this stuff is gonna harden pretty quick. So that's all we're doing. I'm just gonna fill it in. It only looked like it was leaking from here to here, but we're just gonna try and pack it in there as much as we can. That's another giggity. Very good. Very good. Just pack it on in. Pack it on in. Very good. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we smoothed out the cement along here, the muffler cement. We also got around this here pipe, as we could see. We're gonna let that cure, and then we're gonna start the car up and see how it sounds. Very good. Well, very good, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. We're not fogging up. I do not feel any puff or give. Over here, same thing. And it's hardened. Very good. Very, very good. Listen to that burble. Alright, now that the putty has cured, here's the pressure test. Very good. Remember how before I could just keep my hand on there, no pressure built up? That's how you know you did a decent exhaust repair. So yeah, guys, it works. If you're in a pinch, if you have a small enough exhaust leak and you just need to get by, this stuff works. It cures, it hardens up, and it fixes, well, it doesn't fix, it temporarily fixes the exhaust leak. So yeah, I would recommend it if you're in a bind. In a perfect world, we would be replacing that muffler, which we will be eventually. Apparently it's iron reinforced. Okay, whatever. I guess that makes it stronger. Alright, if you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content, and continue the journey with me and my misery with Lando. Very good.